Sponsored by Bulldog Models. Hi guys, it's Moz here for Moz6510 Models, and on the bench today I have two kits. Now you're going to be saying to me, hey, this is the same kit. It is, but one of them was back in 1987 when it was first released, and this one here is the 2019 release of this same kit. It's a Grumman F4F-4 Wildcat, and today we thought that I would go through both boxes and see what the difference is, because obviously what we can see on the front is just different box art. So this one here was 1987 and it was released as Academy MiniCraft, and then it was re-released again in 1991 and it was also called Academy MiniCraft, and it had this box art on, but it had this kind of logo. Then in 1996 they completely dropped the MiniCraft name from the Academy, and then they've been releasing this kit ever since 1996, released again in 2008. There was no difference, just basically a new box. And this one here is 2019 because it says on here that they're celebrating the 50th year of manufacturing model kits. So 50 years from 1969. So this one 1987, this one 2019. So really you're looking around 33, 34 years of this kit. So let's have a look inside each box and see what you get. We'll start off with the 1987. The box art is the plane made. Okay, so it's a picture of the plane and all been sprayed up so you can see the decals, etc. Grumman F4F-4 Wildcat on the top there. Academy MiniCraft in the top right hand corner. 1:72 scale. Along the side here, basically it's the barcode, a picture of the box art again, and it just says here, contains one unassembled model kit and easy to follow pictorial instructions. Paint and cement are required and not in the box, and is suitable for ages 10 to adult, 1:72 scale. Proudly made in the Republic of Korea. So Korea, this one was made. On the side, there's the code FA040. And there's a picture of the box art again. Same on this side, same on this side, same on this side. So it's basically, that's it. Oh, there's a code there, 1650, which I didn't realise. What's this one? What's this number here? 12451. So yeah, they have changed the product code for this model. Inside the box, it's a top opening box. How we love a top opening box. And I do apologise, this one has been opened. Because I have opened it before. Just have a little look. So you get an instruction sheet, basically telling you what the Wildcat was all about, and then you have what they call half and half. So one half is the top, one half is the bottom, and you've got silver and blue, grey and white are the colours. So silver on the side there, and this one here is blue, grey, and then you have white on the underside. So quite a basic call out there for paints. You can use whichever paint you want. Instructions are quite simply step by step: pilot onto seat, engine together, undercarriage all sorted. Yellow and green on the inside. Okay, very little detail. Put the fuselage together with the engine and put the glass windows in. Black for the prop there with yellow tips. Tanks go on the stand if you want to use the stand, or so there's a choice there. You can either use the stand or the tanks, I believe. I think that's what it is. No. So yeah, you can use the tanks. Put it all together in 3 pits, and then you glue on the canopy and attach the stand. That's basically it. And there it is, MiniCraft Models Incorporated in California, and they are copyright 1987. So there you are, MiniCraft Models. So there's that. Inside you have your decal sheet. Just put it up close. Let's open it, shall we? Let's open up the decal sheet. I'll just get my X-Acto 8R out. I'm loving these 8Rs. These are a really good knife, actually. That goes in there, and then let's put the nut on. Yeah, the 8R is a pretty nice nice knife to use. So we'll just gently open it up, and then inside there's the Wildcat there. The decals, they're not too bad. There's a little bit of film on where the 4s are. I was told that on the instructions the 4's in the wrong place. The 4 should be here, not on the tail, but that doesn't matter. But yeah, they don't look so bad, do they? They're not so bad at all. I'll put that back in there so it keeps it protected. I am actually going to build this kit. I've got some photo etch to build it with, so at some point. So let's open them up. So you've got looks like you've got 4 sprues here. Let's get these out. 4 sprues. Right in there. 4 sprues. There you go. And you have a piece of canopy glass there. That's not looking too bad, is it? It's not looking too bad at all. It's a slight blemish there, but other than that, it don't look too bad. And there's the glass there for it, just on the side of the fuselage. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's start with this one here, which is number A. Recessed panel lines on this one. Yeah, recessed panel lines. Flash wise doesn't look too bad. Is that flash there? That might be a little bit of flash on the model there. It says they're 1:72 scale Wildcat on that one. Engine's got a little bit of flash on it, but it's not looking too bad. It's quite a nice plastic. A little bit of a tinny plastic, but that's fine. So there's number A. Number B, you've got yourself a pilot there. Obviously, he's in the twerking position. Twerk, twerk, twerk. There's your yeah, not too bad. Yeah, so you've got some nice riveting there on there. It's not a bad kit. You know, this one's quite a staple, really. I think if you're going to build a 1:72 Wildcat, I know you've got the Airfix one, but I don't think this one's a bad choice. Apart from it has very little detail in the cockpit, but that can be sorted with a little bit of photo etch. There's some kits out there. So looking at number C, again, nice detail. There's all the prop there. Just a minuscule amount of flash on this. It's very little flash. This, you know, you don't flash on this, and this looks okay actually. Part of the undercarriage there. It's not looking too bad at all. And then the final part, which has got your stand on it and some little bits there, which I assume that's the aerial and that's the control stick. Yeah, it's not looking too bad at all. So that's from this box here. So we'll put them back in the box.
Sponsored by Bulldog Models. Organise your hobby bench with high quality 3D printed scale model organisers, accessories and much more to make your life as a scale modeler easier. Visit the website and use code MOZModels5 for a 5% discount off your order today. Link to the website in the description box down below.
And then let's have a look at the 2019. So basically this box art design, etc. is all from 2008. And they've just launched this one with the little logo on the side there, which is a 50-year anniversary little stampage. But basically, it's exactly the same. Inside, again, you've got your model kit there, or you've got some different kind of looking decals, which look a lot better. Yeah, not too bad. If you can see that the carrier film there is just a little bit off to the left slightly, but it's not looking too bad. Not too bad at all. So yeah, but it's on blue back, so there's no difference in it. Yeah, not too bad at all. Put that away in there. So instructions, again, not a lot of difference really, except you've got the box art on the top of this one from the 2019 one, and this one is from the 1987. So basically just use the box art as the picture. Same again when it comes to the call out scheme. You've got silver and you've got blue, grey and white. Quite simple, and you can see you got your half and half there. Turning it over, not too bad. They're really the same, just they've kind of updated the icons slightly, so they're a little bit more modern. If you can see there by the glue there, see where the glue, compare the glues on the top. Okay, they have a repeat operation there, which is the same as that one. So they've added a few, you know, exclamation mark for be careful, and then you can make a hole, repeat for opposite side. So they've updated their icon call out to be modern for what they probably do now in the Academy kits. And again, there's no difference really, it just looks a little bit more tidier. And again, you've got the Academy plastic model kit there and there, so there's that and that, so they're pretty much the same. You also in here, you have a check with parts list before unsealing, so you got to check, so once it's unsealed you can't, which is a bit of a con really, because you can't really see unless you actually take it out the packet, I suppose. A little thing of tips here, guideline for beginners. So you got your side cutters, your tweezers, your scissors, how to do your decal sheet, and they're advertising their very own cement, which I don't have. I'm a Tamiya man, Tamiya all the way through, a little bit of Revel contactor, but yeah. And you've got the enamel colour set for 2 paintbrushes, so that's, you know, that's, they're just advertising their own little bits there. And then finally in the bottom here, just some warning in assembly, just a warning really of the model kits in different languages. So that's added to the there. So I didn't check the outside of the box. The box is roughly, well, it is the same, isn't it? They've changed the number, so it's 12451 instead of 1650. There's all your warnings and your barcode there. Sold by Bachmann in Europe. That must be the distributor. So yeah, very, very little difference on the box apart from the box art. So that's that one done. Then let's open up the kit carefully and let's just see what you're likely to get. Right, so inside they've put the Canopy in a separate bag in this one, as you can see. We'll look at that in a bit. Exactly the same really. It is the same kit. Obviously the plastic is a different shade, so if you look at this shade here, there's a different sort of shade to the grey. It's the same feel, they feel the same. This one's a little bit more matter, this one's a bit more shinier, but obviously that's the colour. And see that there, if we look, I think there was a little bit of flash on this one. On this is the old one, so you can see there's a little bit of flash there. There's no flash on this one, so quality control, they've probably just toned down how much plastic gets forced into the injector mode in there. So that's the only difference I can see. Obviously that's not flash there, that's part of the shielding. But yeah, it's looking pretty smart here. Nice wheels. Again, no detail on the inside. But yeah, it's a lovely, lovely looking bit of kit. That, look at that, nice. Then this one here, again, hardly any flash. The pilot's exactly the same. Yeah, so it is exactly the same kit. Just they've kind of, you know, been a bit more careful with the plastic. Just look at the seat there. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, so there's that. So it's basically, it's the same in the box. And then if we open this one here, you can see. Just close that in, open it up. There you go. Pull him out. And there again, see, nice detail on it. So there's no difference in the kit. The kit is basically 30 odd years old, and there seems to be no difference in the kit apart from the colour. Just notice that they haven't got the Academy written on here, so they've removed the Academy on the newer kits. So the old one has Academy written all the way through. You see that? There's the B there. It's got Academy written there. It hasn't got Academy on here at all. Actually, it hasn't got Academy, only on the A part, which is this one here. That's the only place you've got it. The rest of it's all blanked out, apart from on the back there, 172. But yeah, so that's really the kit. And then the final thing is just to check the Canopy. As you can see, there's a lot more plastic on. This is from the new kit from the 2019. And this is the from the 1987 kit. There is no difference in the canopy. You can see that quite clearly underneath there. It's just got a little. There's more sprue to this one. Well, this one's just like a little piece. But just put it to the close up to there. Was it that way? Oh, maybe it is a different. Just wonder if it is a different tooling, because you can see it's all backwards. I think they've made a new tooling for the canopy compared to the old one, like so. Yeah, so it's just I think they've upgraded this for a newer version, which has got a little bit more sprue, but doesn't matter. There you go. There's the old one. So there you have an unboxing of two kits which are basically the same. So whether it's a 1987 kit or a 2019 kit, whichever version you get, you're going to get a pretty good kit, to be fair. Lack of detail on the inside, but it is a 1:72 scale. There are photo etch and resin parts you can put with this. I believe the Hasegawa resin parts from Aries, I think it's called, does fit this kit, but don't quote me on it. I think you have to do a little bit of work to it, but there's a really good resin kit from them that you could use to put inside this cockpit. But other than that, this is it. Well, thanks for watching. If you like the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and ring that bell to be notified on any new videos. Any questions, any comments, put them in the box below, and I do reply. And I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.